fuel subsidy for PUV drivers and operators ay may 2.5 billion, katulad sinabi po natin, na manggagaling po sa 2025 Continuing Fund. At ang fuel subsidy program or Pantawid Pasada program ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin po. Pero po yung service contracting ay na-implementa po to the fullest at wala na po itong additional funds.
Yan muna ang latest. Balik sa'yo, Jiggy.
Yan ang ulat ni Gerard de la Peña live mula sa Quezon City. Susunod, ang trust rating ni PBBM bumaba nitong Hunyo. Huwag kay DBTO dapat una sa lahat.
Ang gatas, pag 30 ka na, dapat Virtue Adult Boost. Adult level gatas na may triple boost tulong sa immunity, energy, at brain function for adult level lakas. Virtue Adult Boost. Triple boost at adult lakas.
Oh shit, ako'y nagulat. May request sila. Help ya girl.
Thank you. He's still out there. Get him out.
Ay, paganda. Eh, may homework pa. Kailangan na.
Ah!
May Mickey sa idea lang. And fun best friends. May
What
Omega
the-
3 and 6. Kaya Mickey sarap na.
Yes.
Ang matigil pa. Ladies' choice.
At first, I was
Is he
afraid
gone?
na walang lasa.
Bingus is
Mabilis
gone.
lutuin, pero may kulang pa. Tinanong mo
No,
yung
Bingus is not gone.
sa otak mo.
I can tell. Okay, he's gone.
Cream Silk Condition to Win promo. Buy Cream Silk. Upload your
Going.
receipt and win. Get instant GCash credit
What?
and the chance
No
to
way.
win 100,000
Yes,
pesos, a
stop.
trip to Paris, or a brand new
Yay.
Tesla. Join now.
And I get to watch TV.
lang ang request.
I forgot to break the TV. Give us our TV back.
Welcome home, anak!
Away ka.
Eh, may homework pa. Kailangan na.
Sige na.
Ay, nasira yan. Wala ka ng idea lang. Fun best friends. May Omega 3 and 6. Kaya Mickey sarap na. Ang matigil pa. Ladies' choice.
At first, I was afraid. Isasa pang toyo. Pero dahil sa Lord Cubes, kayang-kaya ko na! Adobo! Pipi sarap adobo good! Pipi sarap adobo good! Hey, hey! Anong rapid ni Easy Pancit Canton recipe mo? Easy peasy! May mayo, ikaw, peanut butter, at oyster sauce, ikaw, wow! Sarap tinis! Ikaw, anong easy peasy recipe mo? Ang daming inisip lang!
Luto mo yan with Knorr Liquid Seasoning.
Panalo, luto to plato, panalo ang luto mo.
Go.
Maski ilang oras. Go. Oh, saksak mo hanggang nung mamayang gabi. Oh.
Ba! Sasakyan ko yung bahay.
Impeachment court. Pamamahagi ng 2,000 pisong ayuda sa uplift program, sinimulan
Wala
na.
ka.
Abang yan mamaya sa
What
Frontline,
the-
Pilipinas.
Simula ngayong Lunes.
Bibigyan kita isang misyon.
I'm gonna go. Bye.